everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your PIN, pattern, or even like your password or swipe feature on your Samsung phone. So you can see this is my home screen. I have to swipe to unlock it. I wasn't quick enough. I'll do it one more time. Now you can remove those at the login screen right there. If we go up to the top right and go to settings right here and just click this. So let's choose settings and then go on down under here. Now, we might want to go to lock screen, but that's not where the setting is. We want to go to security and privacy. And then we can wait for this to load, and then we can go to lock screen right here. So you can set up your lock screen. So if you got like a pattern or something in there, you will have to enter that in before you can unlock this option. So you can just go to none. If you click none under here, when you turn it on, it's just going to turn on. So most of the time I just go to swipe. So in case I have it in my pocket, then I'm not accidentally butt dialing someone. I don't know if that's a thing anymore really. But you can just set it to whatever you want then. Probably none or swipe is a good option. Or otherwise you can just rely on facial recognition or fingerprints to unlock it using biometrics. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.